Let me ask you a quick question. Is your website or sales funnel not converting the way you hope? Did you know that the average conversion rate on a typical website is a measly 0.2%? With the ever increasing traffic cost in 2021 and beyond, it's no wonder why you might be struggling to sell your products or services online. Well, here's the good news. There are a few underground online marketers who use a secret method that results in virtually quadrupling your sales and profits from your website virtually overnight without even driving additional traffic. How? They ethically spy on their website visitors in real time with comprehensive heat maps, goals tracking, and visitor session recordings, and then having that data to help refine and improve on their conversions. The big problem is that competing solutions like Hotjar and Mouseflow charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars every single month for this kind of data, and even that comes with a lot of restrictions based primarily on number of page views. That's where Analytics Tiger comes to your rescue. It's the revolutionary software that gives you access to the same features but with no recurring fees, where you can track unlimited pages with unlimited session recordings and unlimited page views. Let's dive into a live demo of the software so you can see its power in action. Do a quick demo of Analytics Tiger web app. Now, the first time you log into the app, you will come across this dashboard area, which will obviously be empty. So you need to first add your website from the websites tab down below. Just click on add website, choose whatever name you want, add your website. If you want all the features, click on advanced and turn on all the buttons and click submit. Now I won't do that because I already have added my websites. So after you have added website, you just click on tracking code, copy the pixel code right down and just paste it on the head section of your website. So for example, in the ClickFunnels, you can do that under the settings tab of the funnel and just paste it. That's all you need to do. Now once you have added your website and it's active, you can start availing all the features of the app. Now the first I will just show you how the heat maps look. So let's see what they look on this website URL that I have added from this button, create heat map. So we can see where the visitors have clicked and how they are behaving on the website. So we can see that most people aren't coming down on the web page. So I know that if I want to increase my conversions, I need to make the lower part of the app page more enticing. So also you can view the heat maps on the tablets and the mobile, and how so you can see people how they behaved on the mobile, where they clicked on the mobile on their mobile phones. Now next we come onto the session replays tab. We can see every single we can see the video replays of your websites. For example, let's see what this visitor did, how their video got captured on the app. So let's see. Let's fast track that to the 8x. You can see that now they're clicking on the button and they are being redirected to the Warrior Plus checkout, and after the checkout they are redirected to the upsell page. So it's getting tracked automatically. So we can see every single detail of what the visitor did on the website. Next we come to the visitors tab. You can see where the visitors, every single detail of the visitor, where they came from, what Windows, what operating system they operate, and when last were they active. And also we can see how much time an average visitor spends on our website. So we know if it's slow, we know that we have to improve that. Next we come to the real time. If you have any real time visitors on your website, you can see from right from this tab. From goals, you can track every single detail of your main events on your website. So for example, you can track leads, you can track button clicks, you can track form submissions. This is very vital if you are doing any form of paid advertising, because you can accurately track anything. So for example, I track lead captured. So anyone who comes to the website, my website, and hits on this upsell page, I know that the lead has been captured, and it shows right down here how many conversions I got. And of course, from the main dashboard tab, you can see every single detail in the time horizon that I mentioned. You can see what pages they are hitting on the website, from where they belong to, from where they are coming from, which countries, which devices, operating system, browsers, so on. So that's all the features. Of course, you can get very granular with the details. You can filter down. For example, if I want to see only the visitors that came from the web browser Google, I can do that as well. And of course, you can export your data to CSV and PDF for further analysis. If you have multiple websites added on the app, you can click from here and choose whatever website you want to see and analyze all the features. Thank you for your for watching this video. We will have more training and usage videos in the members area. Thanks a lot. There are so many different ways that you can use this valuable data, from testing to ensure that different devices and browsers are rendering properly, to getting profitable insights while doing a website redesign or a split test. Maybe you find a broken form while analyzing your checkout process, analyzing your navigation structure to ensure that people find what they want to in a reasonably short amount of time. There are absolutely limitless ways that you can use this data that will directly result in an increase of website conversions. Imagine having a decisive edge over all of your competitors. Imagine turning more of your visitors into leads and sales to the tune of 400% virtually overnight. Imagine finally feeling that you are in control of your income online. Now that you see just how powerful Analytics Tiger is, and you are sick of other solutions out there that charge absolutely ridiculous monthly fees, you can avail enormous savings while you take action by clicking the link down below. Now that's not all, because I am also going to throw in $2,300 worth of bonuses completely free for today. That includes a commercial license as well, where you can give this service to your clients and charge a hefty monthly recurring fees from them. And of course, you are protected by our ironclad 30 days money back guarantee. So just click the link below and get started.